Hi, welcome to INEO's factory, manufacture for kitchen equipments, including our burners, our griddles, and our fryers. Today, we're going to walk through all the manufacture process and to check out how an equipment was made. So this is where the raw material comes in. These are sheets of stainless steel, of 304 stainless steel quality. As you can see, it comes in sheets like paper, but it's actually very heavy and very thick. We have 1.2 thickness, 1.5, 0.8, and 1.0. Then we'll take the raw materials into a different section to be processed. We use a laser cutting technology to cut them into exact pieces so we can continue with the manufacture process. With a laser cutting machine, you can preset the sizes so we can use the board completely without any waste. Inside here, there will be cutting holes to fit the screws, so the nails can be fit directly inside. So after processing, they will be shaped like these individual sheets of different parts laying down right here. So we can connect these parts using either nuts and bolts, and we use a screwdriver to screw each part in, or we use a mounting technology to mount each part together so they can be more smooth and without edges. After the material has been cut, then we need to bend it into shapes that we can puzzle up together. Now we need to use a bending machine to do that. So if right here, you can put your stainless steel pieces inside and they can bend 90 degrees angle, 75 degrees angle, or even a curve like that. So with this machine, they can set it up to different edges, as you can see right here. Also, the bending machine can also put nail holes inside as well. So if you have an equipment that needs to put screwdriver holes inside, but it's also a curving board, then you can use a bending machine instead of a laser cutting machine. When putting two pieces of stainless steel together, sometimes there will be gaps in between. In order to seal these gaps, we need to use a mounting technology. As you can see behind, the worker behind is using a mounting to seal both pieces of stainless steel together. The mounting process is very difficult and it's very hard to get all the mounting spots to be even. In order to fix that problem, they need to be polished after they have been mounted. So let's go to the polishing area. After a piece has been mounted, it will go to here for further polishing. After the polishing happens, the edges and the round sides are very even. Some equipment doesn't need to be taken down often, so they will use a mounting skill just to mount all the corners so that the equipment will stay attached. Instead of putting nuts and bolts, they will directly mount a small pieces on there so that it stay attached and very firm. After all the parts has been manufactured, either big pieces or small pieces, they will be sent up to the third floor to make further installation and inspection stage. If you'd like to visit our company or visit our factory, you can directly contact us through our website. Thank you very much.